up, Indiana? I am back in Indiana. I am Chef Gindayalice, and here's a workout for the cooks around the world. Come on, you're going to rock it out with me, Gindayalice. This is a great workout for cooks like me around the world. Today, I'm cooking in Indiana, people. I'll be a city near you. And as a cook, I don't get that much time to work out. Because if I'm not traveling or preparing food, there's no time for cooks to work out. So, here's a video for you cooks out there. When you spare time, grab some cans and hit the floor. Work it out with me. It's Gindayalice. Rock it out with me. It's Gindayalice. Hit the button. So, for you cooks out there, work it out.